औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज मैं आपको जुडिशरी के बारे में बाकी सवालात के जवाब लिखा रहा हूँ दे रहा हूँ। नंबर जो हमारा चौथा क्वेश्चन है वो है कीपिंग द सुधा गोयल केस इन माइंड, टिक द सेंटेंसेस दैट आर ट्रू एंड करेक्ट द वंस दैट आर फॉल्स। नंबर ए, the accused took the case to the High Court because they were unhappy with the decision of the trial court. B. They went to the High Court after the Supreme Court had given its decision. C. If they do not like the Supreme Court verdict, the accused can go back again to the trial court. नंबर इसका जवाब है जो हमारा ए पार्ट है, द एक्यूज्ड टू द केस टू द हाई कोर्ट बिकॉज दे वर अनहैप्पी विद द डिसीजन ऑफ द ट्रायल कोर्ट। ये जवाब इसका सही है, ट्रू है ये। बी पार्ट जो है, दे वेंट टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट आफ्टर द हाई कोर्ट हैड गिवन इट्स डिसीजन। सी पार्ट, इफ दे डू नॉट लाइक द सुप्रीम कोर्ट वर्डिक्ट, द एक्यूज्ड कैन मेक पिटिशन टू द प्रेसिडेंट। पांचवा क्वेश्चन है इसका, वाई डू यू थिंक द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन इन द 1980s is a significant step in ensuring access to justice for all? इसका जवाब है, in simple words, the term public interest litigation means that the person and association other than the sufferer have the right to seek justice on their behalf. Now, this concept that a person can seek justice only for himself has undergone a sea change. The poor and oppressed people of India do not possess means to seek judicial relief. It is only poor and oppressed people of India, it is only a public minded citizens or politically aware organization that can move to the Supreme Court. In fact, the introduction of public interest litigation is a significant step in ensuring access to justice for all. Through public interest litigation cases, the Supreme Court has emerged as the defender and champion of the rights and liberties of the poor masses. छठा क्वेश्चन है इसका, रीड excerpts from judgment on the Olga tells is us Bombay Municipal Corporation case. Now, write in your own words what the judges mean when they said that the right to livelihood was part of the right of life. इसका जवाब है, the judgment of the Olga Tills versus Bombay Municipal Corporation established the rights to livelihood as part of the right to life. Right to life is provided under Article 21 of the Constitution. Article 21 says that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. But this is one aspect of the right to life, but another aspect of right to life is right to livelihood, because no person can live without the means of livelihood. Thus, right to livelihood is a part of right to life. That is the conclusion which is drawn from the judgment in the Olga Tills versus Bombay Municipal Corporation case. The judgment in this case had tried to protect the livelihood of slum dwellers. सातवां क्वेश्चन इसका, राइट अ स्टोरी अराउंड द थीम जस्टिस डिलेड इन जस्टिस डिनाइड. जस्टिस इज द वेरी, इसका आंसर है जस्टिस इज द वेरी फाउंडेशन ऑफ द स्टेट. विदाउट द जुडिशल सिस्टम देयर कैन बी नो स्टेट वर्थ द नेम. द जुडिशरी इज राइटली called the shield of innocence and the impartial, speedy, and cheap. But in India, justice is not speedy. The position is the worst in civil cases. Unnecessary litigation, needless appeals, dilatory procedures, etc., have actually denied justice to people. Justice delayed is justice denied. If justice is delayed and justice is not really done to the people, then the life and property of the people cannot be safe. In India, it is very difficult to get house vacated from the tenant. Generally, ill case are decided in 15 to 13 years. Need is just should be quick and speedy. Thank you. ये हमारा आज का टाइम ख़त्म हुआ. इंशाल्लाह कल फिर मिलेंगे.